Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the YouTube error 153 video player configuration. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So all you have to do is to open a new Google tab just like this one, go to the top right section where you can see the three dots, and then from here you're going to go to the settings. Once you go to the settings, you're going to click on the button that says privacy and security, and then from here you're going to click on the third-party cookies. Once you do that, you're going to click on the sites and permission data, and as you can see right here we have all the websites. So from here you're simply going to search for YouTube, and so once you search for youtube.com, you're going to show you all the sites. I have already cleared mine, but for you, whatever site that shows YouTube right here, you're going to click on garbage and then from here delete. Once you do that, all you have to do is either delete all data or just the YouTube button, and then from here you're going to click on extensions, and then from here you're going to make sure that you disable every single extension that you have and then restore the website, and that should help. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.